The Music Production and Software Engineering course, also known as MuSE, looks not only at how we use technology in advanced ways, but how we make it.
Music software engineering is about creating tech products that are going to help people to create better music.
Musicians and producers and sound designers can make sounds that we've never heard before.
For me, being able to create music and be able to create the tools that are used to make music, it just really excites me.
The ability to unite, for instance, visuals with lighting, with spatial audio, and developing softwares to connect those different environments. There's a whole realm of softwares just waiting to be developed. That's a huge market.
So we don't expect you to come with any coding experience. We're going to start off in the first year by making some professional sounding effects processors like reverbs, but also you'll be making some really awesome synthesizers for learning the tools and the language of C++ itself. In the second year we'll deep dive into just about every effect and synthesizer you can think of, but also start making whole applications. By the end of the second year, you'll already be a capable audio developer, and so we focus on, in the third year, the state of the art and professional practice. Have a lot of involvement from industry, so people from industry will be coming in to tell you about what's hot. You'll be working on problems that they're interested in, and you'll be using the techniques that they've introduced to you. But you'll also do something in your final year project that's a little less common, which is end-to-end development. So in other words, not just making a prototype or something that loosely works, but working out how to actually make a kind of viable product and something that is of professional quality.
What's really powerful is to be in an environment where you're with other students and with tutors and technicians who brings so much information and such a body of knowledge for you to tap into.
You will be in demand from a wide variety of companies that are looking for software developers. You can really be as creative as you want.
They're going to have ideas, they're going to know that there's something they want to create within music and within technology, but they might not know exactly how to go about doing that. And with that education, all these doors kind of open up.
What it gives you is the structure around yourself to put you in the best position to succeed.
Now would be the time to get into those technologies and start investigating them. There's nothing to stop an individual creating something that's equally as powerful as a technology company.
With the skills you'll learn on the course and the ability to code and make technology, you could be the one who has the next great idea, the next theremin, the next gestural control interface. It's literally possible on this course.
As part of Point Blank's commitment to usher in the next generation of STEM talent, we're offering all UK home students up to £9,000 as part of our MuSE scholarship for our music production and software engineering degree. You can use this money to subsidise your living costs, purchase essential equipment and anything else that will help your studies. To apply and find out more about the scholarship, visit our website.